When land is disturbed at a construction site, the erosion rate accelerates dramatically. Since ground cover on an undisturbed site protects the surface, removal of that cover increases the site's susceptibility to erosion. Disturbed land may have an erosion rate up to 100 times greater than a pre-construction rate. Thus, bare soil is extremely vulnerable to stormwater runoff and can be easily washed down slopes, impacting permanent features such as buildings, roads, or parking lots. In addition to providing instability to final graded surfaces, there is an environmental problem associated with erosion. The movement of soil through runoff into downstream water bodies degrades their environmental quality. Soil particles dislodged through erosion increase the turbidity within downstream water bodies. This increase in turbidity has a double impact. First, it increases the temperature within the water, as the water being darker increases its absorption of heat. And second, it decreases the amount of sunlight that can be captured by aquatic vegetation. This has a chain reaction as it impacts the photosynthesis of aquatic vegetation, which then degrades the life of fish and other aquatic life that depend on the vegetation for sustenance. Because of its impact to environmental quality, permanent erosion control is not only a necessity to have a stable graded site, but it is also a regulatory requirement throughout the United States. Erosion prevention measures are more effective than the reactive control of sediment. Once soil particles become dislodged, it requires greater efforts and costs to contain the sediment on the site. Identifying erosion problems at the planning stage and noting highly erodible areas will help in selecting cost-effective, environmentally sensitive erosion control measures.